Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S Music, and I'm gonna show you how to track or check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. You can check the amount of the calories burned on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display that information, as you can see. Another way to do it is to add a calorie glance. And to open the list of glances, press the up button, scroll through it by pressing the up button again, or down button. You can also use down button. As you can see, by default there is no calorie glance, so you can't check it, but you can press and hold the up button to open the menu, then find the option called add glance, select it, press start, and here let's look for the calories. Once you find calories, press start to add it. And now, as you can see on the glance, in the glance menu, the calories appeared, and here we have our statistics. You can also select the calories glance, press start to open the more detailed information. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check the information on the phone. So we can move this to the side, bring our phone right here, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. And once you open the app, you should see the home page. And if you customize the home page to your liking, you could see the calories basically glance right here on the home page. And you can tap on it and check the statistics. But if you don't see the calories glance, you can tap on more, I believe, activities. No, never mind. I believe it's gonna be health stats, I guess. Yes, calories. And here you can check the amount of the calories burned during the day. And you have different other statistics like average active and stuff like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.